So this is our iPhone 15 Plus that we are unboxing. Welcome to Swarag Beauty Channel. Thank you for watching my video. You'll notice that my daughter is being a really good helper, trying to help us unbox the iPhone 15. It's a beautiful phone, 6.7-inch screen, quite large. My previous cell phone is 6.1. I can tell the difference pretty significantly. So this is how the phone looks like. It's a beautiful pale yellow color, baby yellow. And so what you see here is the USB-C port, all the buttons that you have, pretty much like any other iPhone. The camera and the back, you can see the color hopefully, the pale yellow. And obviously we get charger cable with it, and your Apple sticker and all that jazz. So I'm pleased with it. And this is the cover that I purchased from Amazon. I think it was $19.99 or $16.99, something like that. And it comes with, it's actually full protection. So it protects the entire body of your phone, front and back, along with a protection sticker for the camera. I know we don't show it here in this video, but I have that also plugged in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.